Good morning class 6. This is your GK class. Now open page number 9 in your GK book. See on the top of the page there is chapter 5 and chapter 5 is about the topic Indian heritage. Chapter 5 is about the topic Indian heritage. So let's read what is written in this yellow box. Okay, so let's start. Many things have been passed down to us from earlier generation. Many things have been come down to us from earlier generations. These include culture, traditions, monuments, music, dance, paintings, etc. How many things come down from our earlier generations? These things are culture, tradition, monuments, music, dance, paintings, etc. All these have come down to us from our ancestors and are collectively known as our heritage. All these things have come down to us from our earlier generation, from our ancestors, and those things are known as our heritage. Okay, those things are known as our heritage. Ancestors are the people who have lived before us. Who are the ancestors? Ancestors are the people who have lived before us, who have lived before our generations. Okay, and from whom we have descended, Okay, now see the box and read properly what is written here. Okay, see in the pink box there is written name of the state. I think this will be the name of the state and this will be the cultural heritage, है ना? Name of the states are given in this box and cultural heritage names are given in this box. Okay, in the left side there are cultural heritage, in the right side there are name of the states. Okay, so let's read. At first, traditional brush and copper craft. Traditional brush and copper craft. Jandiala Guru, Punjab. Okay, Jandiala Guru, Punjab. Traditional brush and copper craft, Jandiala Guru, Punjab. This craft is situated in Punjab in Jandiala Guru. Kalvelia folk dances. Kalvelia folk dances, we see it in Rajasthan. Okay, we see Kalvelia folk dances in the state Rajasthan. Chhau dance. Chhau dance, we see Chhau dance in the state Jharkhand. Sankirtana, we see Sankirtana in Manipur. Raman, we see Raman in Garhwal, Himalayas. Kutiyattam and Madiyettu, we see it in the state Kerala. Ellora cave paintings. Ellora cave paintings we see in the state Maharashtra. Madhubani painting. We see Madhubani painting in the state Bihar. Chennakeshava temple. Chennakeshava temple is situated in the state Karnataka. Brihadeswarar temple. Brihadeswarar temple. This is situated in the state Tamil Nadu. Brihadeswarar temple. This is situated in Tamil Nadu. Sun temple. This is situated in the state Odisha. Taj Mahal. This is situated in the state Uttar Pradesh. Victoria Memorial. This is situated in the state West Bengal in Kolkata. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. This is situated in the state Maharashtra, Mumbai. Fatehpur Sikri. This is situated in Uttar Pradesh. Ranganath Swami Temple. This is situated in the state Tamil Nadu. Ranganath Swami Temple. This is situated in the state Tamil Nadu. Sachi Stupa. This is situated in the state Madhya Pradesh. Gateway of India. This is situated in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Ajanta Cave Sculptures. This is situated in Maharashtra. Haisaleswara Temple. This is situated in Karnataka. Qutub Minar. This is situated in New Delhi. Kathakali Dance. This is situated in Kerala. Boat race. We see this in the state Kerala. Jewelry making. Jewelry making is famous in Nagaland. Okay. So students, you have to read and learn this chapter Indian Heritage properly. You have to read this chapter 5 and 6 times and also learn it.